A federal court has appealed, an appeal in the court in the US has ruled that most of the President Donald Trump's global tariffs were illegal, dealing a major blow to his aggressive trade agenda and curbing presidential power over emergency economic measures. Now, the US Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit had upheld an earlier ruling by the Court of International Trade that Trump had wrongfully invoked an emergency law to issue the tariffs. Trump, on the other hand, had come out and said that this ruling is biased.
US President Donald Trump's signature tariffs have just been branded illegal. A federal appeals court has decided that Trump does not have the constitutional authority to impose blanket tariffs on nearly every trading partner, using the International Emergency Economic Powers Act as justification. The judges said this law, designed for national security emergencies, does not authorize presidents to impose tariffs or taxes. As a result, Trump's so-called reciprocal tariffs have been declared invalid as contrary to law. However, the court is allowing the tariffs to remain in effect until mid-October to allow time for appeal to the US Supreme Court. On Truth Social, Trump reacted fiercely, calling this decision partisan and a disaster, even warning that it could destroy the United States. But the court plainly reminded him and the American public that the power to tax lies with Congress, not with the president. The decision is a major blow to Trump's signature economic policy and a vivid illustration of dangers of overstepping legally granted executive powers. Now, all eyes are on the US Supreme Court. If the ruling is upheld, Trump's tariffs would collapse, shaking trade deals with countries like the UK, Japan, and South Korea, and raising questions about billions of dollars already collected in duties. If the ruling is overturned, it could set a perilous precedent, expanding presidential authority at the expense of legislative oversight. Either way, one thing is clear: Trump's image as the master deal maker has just taken one of the most serious legal hits. With Ridhima Kedia, NDTV World.